Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you our new video tag tool. With this tool you'll be able to put tag images on top of your videos that people can do certain actions such as call a phone number, email an email, or go to a website. So if I click add project, I'm just going to do a simple name, and I already have a YouTube link to use. You can also upload a video from your computer for this. I'll click add, and then I'll click the pencil to edit the tags. So here we can add three different type of tags. We have the call tag, email tag, and website tag. With the call one here, I'll give it a title, and then we'll call a phone number. If they're accessing this from a computer, it will most likely open up FaceTime if it's an Apple product. Or if they're viewing this from a phone, it will obviously open up their phone application. You can have this start from a certain time in the video. I'll do 10 seconds, and then I'll have it last for 10 seconds. And now while I'm viewing this video, I go to the 10-second mark, you'll see that it is displayed. I can edit the location of this on this screen here by moving it like so. And I can also change the size. Note this is a very sensitive tool here, so I'm just going to drag it ever so slightly to make it kind of small. Next, I'll add an email tag. With this one, it's going to just say email us. And then I'll use an email here. Again, I will have this start this time from 20 seconds in and last for the same amount of time, 10 seconds. Now, if I were to go to the 20-second mark of my video, it will appear in the same place. We don't want that to happen. So I'm just going to move it and then also very slightly change the size and put this over here on this side of the video. And then finally, we can do the website tag. Visit our website. The URL, I'll just use Google. And then I will have this one start from 0 seconds and last to the end of my video. This one I will make very discreet. I can put this down here in the bottom right, and this will always be there. I will show you the example now. If I go back to the beginning of this video and click play, the visit our website option is here. If we let it play along, if I get to the 10-second mark, the call us is going to be there. The 20-second mark, the email us is going to be there. And then at any other point in time, the visit our website section will be here. Okay, now we're going to save our progress and click embed video. You have a URL to the video, or you can use the iframe option. I'll copy this iframe, and within the Pixel Perfect site builder, you can go to apps and HTML. Here, I will just go to edit. I'll paste the HTML I've been provided, the iframe, and I will put it here. It's going to be a rather large video, so make sure that your iframe window is big enough. And if I go to preview here while viewing my site, I click play. It'll have the options display here on the example. "10 seconds in, it will display the call us, and 20 seconds in, it will display the email. And if I were to click one of these, I'll do the website, for example, it will just take me to the URL I have selected. Okay, guys, so that is basically everything you need to know about our new video tag tool. I hope you guys enjoy this tool, and I hope you guys found the video very helpful to you. And everyone, have a great day.